Hi Patrol Heads, what's up? So guys, I've been facing this issue recently that whenever I put my car on ignition, my right hand side window goes up all by itself and the power window isn't working. It isn't responding. It's not going down or up. So I will tell you how to fix it. First, you will have to remove this, pull this out, unplug the wire, and then I will show you the rest. So guys, after unplugging the wire, open all the screws and try to be as gentle as you can. Now open it gently. Now let's see the problem. It's working fine. All are working perfectly. Now let me show you what the problem is. So guys, let me show you the problem. The problem is the buttons lock. The buttons lock is broken. This part, this little part is broken, and as you can see that it's been repaired before. It should look like this. So I'm about to repair this part. After repairing it, it will lock the button from both sides, and when I'll pull up, it will go this way. When I'll push down, it will go forward. Now let's start. So guys, in the next step, you will have to cut the paper clip using a wire cutter. After cutting the paper clip of this size, heat this piece and insert it gently on the right spot right here. Put some super glue on it and baking soda and you're good to go. You can see now I've put the paper clip inside it. Apply some super glue on it and it will work perfectly fine. Now let me show you final results.